Introducing the sleek and powerful 2019 Volvo XC40 D3 MOM 5. Door in stylish black. This estate Jeep is equipped with a 2-litre diesel engine and manual transmission, ensuring a smooth and efficient ride. Packed with luxurious comfort and high-tech accessories such as air conditioning, satellite navigation, and Bluetooth phone connectivity, this vehicle is designed with your convenience in mind. Safety features like ABS, collision alert, and lane departure warning provide peace of mind on the road. This Volvo XC40 also boasts a range of styling and security features, including roof rails and LED lights. Each vehicle undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this exceptional opportunity. Call us at insert phone number or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive home in style today.